Hello, this is Lance. I just received my dual liner for my 2016 F-150 Super Crew. Done a lot of research and decided on the dual liner. I'm excited to get started on it. Get a couple shots of unboxing and installation. So I just unboxed my new dual liner. I've also spread out the heavy duty rubber mat so it can flatten out some from the box. But so far everything's received packaged well, no damage. There's my 2016 F-150 Super Crew. Looking to get the dual liner installed. I finished installing my new dual liner on my 2016 F-150 Super Crew, and I'm very pleased with the outcome. Everything installed very easily. Got all the hardware put back and tightened back up. The cutouts around the LED lights and box cleats were all perfect. Overall, seemed to be very well built. The protection now for the sides and front, as well as the tailgate cover, and the heavy-duty rubber mat on the floor. Installed this in about 55-degree weather, and the hardest thing was to get the mat tucked into the channels on each side. Looks very neat once it's all finished out, but I would recommend laying the mat out in the sun if you can, or using a heat gun to make it a little easier to work with. So overall, very pleased. Again, fast shipping. Ordered it on a Wednesday, arrived on 2 days later on Friday. The install looks very professional, very clean. Everything's tucked in really neat, and I think it's going to provide protection for many years to come. Again, highly recommend it, and I think it's going to be a great product.